Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In the neck of the woods, so what up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're so new right on over here, let me extend a special welcome to you. Thank you so very much for joining the family. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of the journey and you're still there in our Christmas season with me, manners and respect. Now today, this video is like a little follow-up from our previous video. Today we are going to show you how you can do a little brown fried rice. Yeah, brown. So right here, I have my skillet been heated. I just soft fried off. I don't know if I sunny side up, down or sideways that. A little egg, and you see what we'll be doing with it. So I have some chopped white onions, chopped garlic. This is what I'm using. Chopped onion, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, some chopped celery, and some chopped green bell peppers. And I'm going to be putting it right in. You can use your herbs of choice. You notice I'm not using any scallions. I'm using the celery to replace the scallions. We were talking about mixing and matching and putting our herbs, what we think we are going to get. On the I eat, we are going to be sauteing off this little niceness. You want to get it, you know, sauteed off to get the flavors out. So you see we have this pretty green. You could have a little red and a little yellow bell pepper in there, but not too much. You'd have to go low on the green and the flavor starts. The flavor has started. The ginger, the garlic, the onions, the celery, the flavor train, it rises up back again. So let's go finish this and return to you. Okay, now family, I'm going to turn my heat down. You don't want it going to about a little more than medium. You don't want it going any more than that. You don't want it dry out. And at this point, you can add a little extra oil. It's a little corn oil. Don't make the rice too dry or too greasy. That should be good. So don't worry yourself. The oil is a little corn oil is good for you sometimes. Alright. So we have our rice, and you know your rice should be cooked and stay there, all of that come together. Preferably like cold, but it don't really matter. I eat now back up on the high, and you want to get your let me get a spoon, family. You want to get the nice little herbs being distributed right through your rice. We are building a flavor train here in a little brown fried rice. Okay. Carry your heat down a little. So this we are going to be adding a little of our sage. If you have your cumin, you can put it. But you would put less of the cumin. The flavor train continues right here. You could have some chopped, finely chopped, what that thing here? Carrots. Just for a little more flavoring. This is a little Worcestershire. Gonna be turning the color a bit with a little dried red pepper flakes, or if you have it in the liquid. Also, we're gonna be adding a little soy sauce, not a lot, because we want to get the color a little turn. Okay? And try to remember that when you're doing fried rice, you're not to do too much all at once. Don't do too much. Don't make more than 3 servings. If you notice when you go, they always make your fried rice to order. Don't do a big pan or a big go to hell pot, and when you check it out, I don't think we're gonna need any salt because the soy sauce has some salt. Look at the color. This is a perfect color for your fried rice. So let it stay there. Yes, I don't think we need salt, but I still will taste. But I don't think at this point we need salt. You want your fried rice? Camera girl is shooting them up as a nice little glassy look. That nice little glassy look and all of that. This nice little color. I think this color is perfect. And whilst eating this, you know, I have no problem because you know, say you eat just like wheat, you know. Because let me tell you something. The older you get, I realize that with myself, the white rice bloats me. Has that ever happened to you? Too much white rice nowadays, it's bloating me. So look here. So we have it all up. And we are going to leave it for gel down a little more. So when we come back, we are going to plate up this thing. You see how easy it is? Showed you in the previous video how to cook your brown rice. And when you have your little cook and let back brown rice, it just come in. And then also inside of this, you could have some shrimp, a little boneless chicken, some frankfurter, a little pork, whatever you want. You could mix the meat, boneless meat inside here to do your little thing. We soon come. Okay, family, so here you have it, your perfect serving of brown fried rice. And I just use this as a soft fried egg to garnish it, and you could put a little green, a little red, whatever. You could also put red, green and yellow just to make it colorful. It's just for presentation. You know, we always try for this. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, to your stomach, and most of all to your Christmas dinner table if you so wish. It is brown fried rice. This was easy, it was so easy, it was so simple. Okay, please do enjoy. Now if you have liked this video, you know what you have to do, thumbs up the video, then up, okay? And remember to like the videos, remember to share them. Please, when you do subscribe, hit the bell. If you realize that you have been unsubscribed by YouTube, go back, resubscribe, hit the bell. Make sure when you hit the bell hitting is important. It is the bell that notifies you each time a video is uploaded from the Jamaican cooking journey. Okay, leave your comments below. So Principal So Decent. All those who'd like to get to me, check in the description of the video. All my information to get to me is there. Okay, I hope you're enjoying 12 days of Jammas. We are on day 11. We have got one more day to go. So please do enjoy once more. Baby from Donga Yard, bless, no stress.